Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Adventure filmmakers need gear they can trust in any environment. The best vlogging camera, Waterproof, combines rugged protection with stunning video quality, letting you record underwater scenes, rainy hikes, or beach days while keeping your creativity flowing wherever you go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Insta360 GO 3S Camera. The Insta360 GO 3S camera is a game changer for creators who want big performance in a tiny form. Weighing just 1.4 ounces or 39 grams, this thumb-sized 4K powerhouse packs incredible technology into a pocket-friendly design, making it perfect for travel and on-the-go shooting. Its upgraded chip and new wide-angle lens allow you to record 4K hands-free POV with the innovative MegaView FOV, giving you ultra-wide shots with minimal distortion. The included Action Pod completely transforms the experience by adding a huge 2.2-inch flip screen, remote control functionality, live preview, and an extended 140-minute battery life that can charge the camera as you film. Insta360's flow state stabilization and horizon lock deliver gimbal-like smoothness even during intense movement, ensuring your content stays level and professional looking. The magnetic mounting system unlocks creative possibilities by letting you position the camera virtually anywhere, opening angles other action cameras can't manage. Durability is equally impressive. Its IPX8 waterproof rating allows you to capture underwater scenes without worry, and pairing it with the optional dive case lets you explore depths of up to 60 meters or 197 foot. Whether you're biking, swimming, hiking, or creating lifestyle vlogs, the Insta360 GO 3S excels with its combination of portability, innovative accessories, and rock-solid stabilization. This camera is tailor-made for those who want cinematic quality without being weighed down by bulky gear, making it a standout choice for adventure-loving vloggers. Number 2. Kodak PixPro WPZ2 camera. The Kodak PixPro WPZ2 camera offers a straightforward yet rugged solution for vlogging and casual content creation in challenging conditions. Built to withstand the elements, it is waterproof to 15 meters 49 feet, shockproof from drops up to 2 meters 6 feet, and dustproof, making it a reliable companion for beach days, hiking trips, or water sports. Despite its rugged build, it remains compact and easy to handle, featuring a 2.7-inch LCD screen for framing your shots. With its 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, you can capture crisp photos, while the 4x optical zoom allows you to close in on distant subjects without sacrificing clarity. The 1080p Full HD video capability makes it well-suited for vloggers who want solid quality footage for YouTube or social media without complicated settings. Wi-Fi connectivity adds convenience by letting you quickly transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or share content on the go. Digital image stabilization helps reduce camera shake, especially useful during action shots or when filming handheld. Its rechargeable LiON battery is practical for day trips, and its compatibility with Class 4 SD cards up to 32 gigabytes ensures you can store a good amount of footage. While it lacks some of the advanced features of high-end action cameras, the WPZ2 shines in simplicity, durability, and value. For adventurers, families, or beginners who want a waterproof camera that's easy to use and dependable, the Kodak PixPro WPZ2 is a smart and affordable choice.
Number 3. The SJCAM C300 Pocket Action Camera. The SJCAM C300 Pocket Action Camera combines extended battery life, excellent image quality, and rugged construction to deliver a versatile vlogging tool for adventurers. Its dual battery design allows continuous recording of up to 420 minutes on a full charge, removing the worry of running out of power mid-shoot. This makes it ideal for long days of travel, extreme sports, or capturing entire events without interruption. The C300 records stunning 4K HD footage with 20 MP stills, ensuring every moment is captured with vivid clarity and rich detail. This is especially beneficial for vloggers who record in dynamic environments or need clear sound for narration and interviews. Its compact form factor allows easy portability, while the intuitive controls and accessories make it beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for experienced content creators. Whether you're diving, cycling, or documenting daily life, the SJCAM C300 offers professional-looking results at an accessible price point. It's a well-rounded, dependable option for creators who need a waterproof action camera with long battery life and high-quality output.
Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. The DJI Osmo Action 4 camera delivers premium performance for vloggers who demand high image quality and durability in any environment. Equipped with a large 1.3-inch sensor, it excels in both bright and low light conditions, capturing stunning 4K footage with impressive clarity. Its 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance let you create cinematic, true-to-life colors in everything from golden hour scenes to vibrant underwater shots. Recording at up to 4K 120 FPS with a 155-degree ultra-wide FOV, it immerses viewers in the action while also enabling silky smooth slow-motion footage. It's ideal for capturing outdoor adventures, sports, travel vlogs, or daily content where versatility and image quality matter most. For creators who want a rugged yet sophisticated camera with exceptional color, stabilization, and adaptability, the DJI Osmo Action 4 stands out as a top-tier choice.
Number 5. Spun Out 33 feet camera. The Spun Out 33 feet camera is a cutting-edge option for vloggers seeking maximum resolution and rugged durability. Boasting an incredible 8K UHD video capability and 70 megapixels still image quality, it delivers 4 times the pixel density of traditional 4K cameras, producing professional-grade visuals ideal for YouTube, travel content, or cinematic storytelling. Its waterproof construction allows you to dive up to 33 feet or 10 meters without worry, while its sealed design is also dust-proof, sand-proof, and freeze-resistant. This makes it a true all-weather performer, equally at home in the ocean, desert, or snowy mountains. It's a forward-thinking camera that pushes beyond typical action cams, giving adventurers and vloggers the tools to capture unforgettable moments with clarity and impact. Whether you choose the compact Insta360 GO S3, the durable Kodak PixPro WPZ2, the long-lasting SJCAM C300, the professional DJI Osmo Action 4, or the ultra-high-resolution Spun Out 33 feet, each camera delivers reliable waterproof performance, stunning video quality, and adventure-ready features, making them perfect companions for vloggers who want to capture every moment, on land or underwater.